I am going to tell you a story. The story behind what is likely the most important photo ever taken and how it forever changed the way humans see and understand the universe. A photo taken just 1 year after my birth, begging for the deeper questions to be asked. If you prefer to avoid the deeper questions in life, this video is not for you. What is this? Really, what are we living in? What is the true nature of our reality? How significant are we? Most importantly, are we alone? You will witness the exact line where I believe hard science meets all other existential beliefs, no matter faith nor religion, as well as the amazing story behind the scientists that made this possible. Many of you have heard of the Hubble Space Telescope and have even seen some of the breathtaking images it's captured in its tenure. When Hubble launched in 1990, its deployment was actually a disaster. One of the mirrors had become misaligned, off by mere microns, but enough to blur every image taken. At launch, Hubble cost almost $1.5 billion, and for nearly 4 years, it floated uselessly in space. The largest optical light telescope ever built had to be repaired. In 1993, astronauts that crewed Space Shuttle Endeavour conducted 5 daring spacewalks, risking their lives to install CoStar, a corrective optics device. Basically, they built a giant pair of glasses for Hubble. In an effort to save face and restore faith with the public, astronomers needed an incredible image to release to the world using the newly functional Hubble telescope. Robert Williams, the director of the Space Telescope Science Institute at the time, had an idea. What if they point it at nothing? In December of 1995, NASA did just that and pointed the Hubble Space Telescope at a dark, empty void no larger than if you held a grain of sand up to the sky at arm's length. For 10 days, Hubble remained persistent, with 100 hours of total exposure. Many thought it would be a waste of Hubble's limited and valuable time. But when the image came back, it was breathtaking. And it changed the way we look at the observable universe forever. Thousands of galaxies emerged from the dark. Within each one, billions and billions of stars, and even more planets. What we thought was empty space was actually overflowing. This image, now known as the Hubble Deep Field, is a cosmic time capsule. Because light takes time to travel, many of the galaxies captured are seen as they were billions of years ago, some just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Astronomers were stunned. In this tiny sliver of sky, about 1/24 millionth of the total sky, they counted over 3,000 galaxies. Extrapolated across the whole sky, it is suggested there could be hundreds of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Not stars, galaxies, each swirling with their own clusters of suns and worlds, each with its own story, and maybe, just maybe, its own version of life wondering the same things we do. The deep field wasn't just a photograph, it was a revelation. It proved that the universe is larger, older, and far more populated than we had ever imagined. That the silence of the night sky isn't emptiness, but rather distance. A subtle reminder that even in the darkest places, there is light waiting to be found. It challenges us to keep searching, asking, and dreaming about the vast universe we inhabit.